Hi everybody. Just thought I'd give you a brief rundown on what's going on with Initium. Project Initium is meant for WebStart deployment. Most of the parameters for WebStart deployment are contained in beans, which once instantiated and saved hold on to their default parameters, such as the class path, and maybe some of the JRE settings, perhaps the key store. Some of the, I'll call it JNLP parameters. And then we can also do web server settings that will allow us to do deployment. These things like the icon URL are held fixed in various places on my system. In fact, what you can do is you can modify some of the locations for things like whether or not the JNLPs are stored in 8086 or 80, and then you can save these parameters by doing save settings. Once you do that, and you've navigated to a main class, here's a main class, you can do deployment, or you can just make an optimized packed jar. The packed jar will contain a manifest that includes the main.class. The main class is essentially identified with a fully qualified class name, in this case ADBK jaddressbook.main, and that gets thrown into a jar file, which is then saved into the local hard drive and can be used for an upload after assigning to a Java WebStart based server. Once you run the program, you get a self-contained program which is ready for deployment. And that's my little demo. Hope you liked it. Thank you. Bye.